In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to animate objects and create animations on Canva. If you've ever wanted to add a bit of flair to your designs or simply make them more engaging, learning how to animate within Canva could completely transform the way you present your ideas. So let's dive in and explore how you can bring your static designs to life with just a few clicks. First, you'll need to open the Canva project where you want to add your animation. Once your project is open, take a moment to identify the object you want to animate. This could be an image, a piece of text, or any other graphic element. Choosing the right element is key because it determines the impact of your animation on the overall design. Once you've decided, simply click on that object to select it. After selecting your object, look for the Animate option in the toolbar that appears. Clicking on Animate will open a panel full of different animation effects. This is where the real fun begins. Canva offers a range of animations, from subtle fades to more dynamic, attention-grabbing movements. Take your time to scroll through the options and see how each one changes the feel of your design instantly. Now it's time to experiment and pick the animation that best suits your project. Don't be afraid to try multiple effects. Sometimes the perfect animation is discovered through trial and error. For example, if you're aiming for a soft transition, the blur animation might be a great choice. Click through the different effects and watch how your object moves or appears. Each animation provides a live preview, so you'll know immediately if it matches the style and tone you're going for. If you're using Canva Pro, you have even more control. Pro users can adjust the speed of their animations to fit the mood of the project. For instance, a fast animation can add energy and urgency, while a slower animation can create a calm, elegant effect. To adjust the timing, simply use the speed slider in the animation panel. This allows you to fine-tune the pace and create exactly the kind of motion you want for your design. Animations in Canva aren't just about movement. They help guide the viewer's attention and make your designs more memorable. You can animate headings to emphasize important text, highlight key graphics, or even add playful motion to smaller elements to keep your design lively. Remember, the goal is to enhance your message, not distract from it, so experiment thoughtfully. Once you've chosen your animations and adjusted their speed if needed, take a moment to preview your entire design. Play the animation from start to finish to ensure everything flows smoothly. Canva makes it easy to make adjustments at any time, so you can tweak effects until you're completely happy with the result. Adding animations is a simple yet powerful way to make your Canva designs stand out. Whether you're creating content for social media, a presentation, or even a personal project, animated elements can turn a static design into something interactive and visually engaging. So don't be afraid to explore different effects, mix and match animations, and let your creativity shine. Go ahead and try animating various elements in your next project. See how text, images, and graphics can come to life, and notice how much more engaging your designs feel. With Canva's user-friendly tools, bringing your ideas to life is just a few clicks away. Enjoy creating, have fun experimenting, and watch your designs transform from static images into lively, animated visuals that capture attention and tell your story in a dynamic way.